because I have 10 tennis my test.
Oh, turning your test. English test?
No,
No?
9.
Math. Do you like math?
Yes.
Yes. I see. That's why you got a 10. Okay. Tell me, do you like walking in the forest or in the park?
I like walking in the park
The park. Why? What do you do?
because I go in the park. I can see people, but I walk in the forest. Because I scared.
Okay. Okay. That's a very good answer. Okay. Do you like flowers?
No,
No. Why?
because when I smell the flower and I see a bee.
Uh-huh. You're scared of bees. Okay. And what is your favorite thing to do outside in a park?
I like my football.
You play football in a park?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, it's very good.